We're heading up on the elite course now. And I'm a little worried.
We're gonna go try out the elite course.
Yeah, I shot that one low.
It ranged for 112. I missed it. Anthony hit it, Matt pounded it, and Kirk Hart shot it. It's awesome up here. We're up here way high. First year out on the bird. Badass.
Cause like you'd shoot and you'd miss and just shatter the arrows like this.
A lot of technical shots, but it sure makes you better and ready for the bow hunt. The opener up there. 9,500 feet. Yeah, not very often do you get an opportunity to shoot at 9,500 feet to practice with these big hard angles that you know you don't really practice for.
You got to come out and you got to do it. You got to be at 9,000 feet and you got to be shooting a 60-degree shot from 120 yards.
Donate a lot of arrows to Snowbird.
Came with 6 and I'm down to 3.
Went up with 10 arrows, come back with 6.
Pretty tough shots.
Yeah, I guess it's a pretty rough course up there. A lot of steep angles, and it's going to be quite the challenge, so it'll be kind of fun.
Some of the pitches and angles of these targets, I was pretty amazed, you know. Thank God a couple of my buddies brought some rangefinders. I wouldn't have any arrows left.
You're shooting across gorges and shooting downhill. It was really good practice for hunting.